Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Crochet. Today I want to show you how to crochet one of my many granny squares, and today will be the regular solid granny square, this one. And for the yarn I have used a DK weight and then a 4.5mm crochet hook. I will show you from the start to finish exactly how to do this. If you want to slow down the video, if you think I'm going too fast, you can always slow down the speed in the settings below. If you want to see one of my other granny squares, you can check out the playlist on my channel page. So let's begin. We begin with a slip stitch. And then we chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these 3 chains now counts as the first double crochet. And this one will be the center of our granny square. We will now work another double crochet into this center. So yarn over, insert the hook into this, and finish your double crochet. And then work another double crochet into the center. Then chain 2. 1, 2. And then work another 3 double crochet into the center. That's 1, 2, and 3. Then chain 2, 1, 2. Then work another 3 double crochet into the center. Then chain 2. And then work 3 double crochet into the center. Now we have our first round almost done, so we will finish with a chain of 2. And then we will work a slip stitch in this over here to finish the round. So now we have almost to finish round 1. We will now chain 2 and then join with a slip stitch in the first stitch we did over here. And that's round 1. Now we chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And these 3 chains counts as the double crochet which goes on top of this stitch down here. We will work another double crochet into this one and this one, so we have 3 in total. So 1 double crochet in the next stitch and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Then for the corner, we will always do the same thing in the corners. We will work 2 double crochet into this corner space. That's 1. Then yarn over and insert the hook in the same corner space and work another double crochet. Then chain 2. And then work another 2 double crochet into the same corner space. So that's a corner. Now work 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 stitches. 1 and 1 in the next and 1 in the next. And then we will do the next corner, which will be the same thing as down here. The corners will always be the same thing. We work 2 double crochet into the space. That's 1, and then another, and then chain 2, and then another 2 double crochet into the same space. Then work 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 stitches. Then repeat the corner, 2 double crochet, then chain 2, then 2 double crochet, then 1 double crochet into each of the next, and then I will meet you over here in the final corner. And in the final corner, you will work the same way, 2 double crochet, then chain 2, and another 2 double crochet. And that's about it. So that's the second round. Now you will join with a slip stitch in the top chain over here. So just where you did the 3 chains, you will do a slip stitch in the third one, and you're now ready to begin your next round. You will do 3 chains to begin with. 1, 2, 3. And these 3 chains will count as the first double crochet, which goes on top of this double crochet down here. Now you will work your next 4 double crochet in the next 4 stitches. So that's the first one. Work another 3. And then we get to the next corner. The corners will again be the same thing. You'll work 2 double crochet into the corner gap. So that's 1, then another double crochet into the same gap, and then chain 2, and then work another 2 double crochet into the same gap. So that's the corners, and the corners will always be the same thing. So now you work 1 double crochet in each of the stitches up here. So you had your 3 in the middle and then added 2 on each side. So you will have 7 double crochet. So work 7 double crochet, 1 in each of the next 7 stitches. And then you will work the corner the same way as we always do. You work 2 double crochet in your first corner space, and then you make 2 chains and then another 2 double crochet into the same space. So now I did it wrong. I work 2 and then chain 2 and then work another 2 double crochet. The corners will always be the same thing. And that's it. And then you will work 1 double crochet in each of the next 7 stitches. Then you will make the next corner and just repeat all the way around, and I will meet you after this next corner. And when you finish your final corner, you only have 2 stitches left before the start. So work your next 2 double crochet. That's 1, and then the next one. And then you can join with a slip stitch on top to finish the round. So, the rounds will always begin the same way. You chain 3, and you can just expand this square as much as you like, but you chain 3, and the chain 3 counts as this stitch that goes on top of this one. Then you will work a double crochet into the next stitch. And then you will work a double crochet in each of the stitches all the way to the next corner. In the corner, you'll work 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then 2 double crochet. And then you'll work 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way to the next corner, where you will work it the same way, and just all the way around and join with a slip stitch up here. So you can just keep expanding as much as you like this granny square to be. When you're satisfied with the size, you will finish with a slip stitch to join the round. Then you cut the yarn pull this one through, and you're done. So I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!